How to get more Instagram followers with Facebook ads. So now Facebook has more options, and if you want to get like your goal is to get followers, all you just have to do is come to traffic here, right? Then you come to continue, then you click on continue here, manual. All this we already know how to go about this. I can send links below to not set this up, but the key here is just keep your stuff here, turn this one off, then we click on next. So now here is where the most important thing that changes everything is. So now instead of you to run a direct message ads, you are going to run an Instagram or Facebook sending you to your profile. So now most of you might be thinking, okay, would that work? Yes, it's actually like telling people to go to your profile, right? So that is why this particular function is. So most before now, what usually used to happen is from Instagram you can say view profile, but that view profile usually have different functions, right? So now once you come down, if you choose not to push it to Facebook, you can select out Facebook and like, okay, no, I don't want Facebook. I only want it to go to my Instagram profile. You can do that. Then don't forget to select your budget, select your end date. Then if you come down, select your location. I have all these done before. I'll put a link to other video playlists where you can see more enhanced settings. Then you select your age, right, your gender, then who you are targeting. So now the video, okay, let me just get to the videos part. I'll talk about that. Then take for example now this thing, you are into fashion, or yeah, fashion to be precise, right? And you know where these ladies are. Sometimes you don't have to go directly to choosing fashion. You can maybe club, offices, ladies. It's much better than targeting your fellow business owner, right? Because they're all using the same interest. So look for that interest that is synonymous to what your potential um, clients are doing. You get. So then let's say for example now we're in the food and drink business. Let's just select all for example's sake, right? So select everything here, or you can leave it blank since it's no, don't leave it blank. Since you're looking for followers, and followers determine who would engage in your page. It has to be directed. Yes, sorry for saying that. Then you select this. If you've not, you click on new verification. Then you come down here to select where the ads will run. So manual placement is what I would select, and I'll remove it from Facebook because obviously I'm pushing for Instagram followers, right? So now once this is done, then I'm going to click on next. So once I click on next, I can choose where. So now this is very important. This video is not a salesy video, right? This video or picture or carousel, whatnot you want to use, should be something that is inviting, telling people to come to them. So these are people who can't use content to grow. They don't have that time to grow their followers and you just want it quick, right? So you can use this, use a video that is, you have to spend time on that video, reasons why they should follow you, reasons why they should engage with you. So you can pick that video from your page. Then me, I'll just come down here and I will just select anyone here. Let me just select this one for selection sake. I'll just click on continue. Once it's selected, you can come down. It will be loading, and allow this to load for a while, because if it doesn't load, there are some things that are here that may not load on time and may be selected without your knowledge. So allow this to load before you come down to select this. So once it's done, as you can see here, we're going to click on this, then turn off everything that you don't want. Like I literally turn everything off. So once you turn everything off, then click on save. And once you click on save, you can see here where it says get WhatsApp message. If you don't want this, you can just turn it off, right? This is just like destination. So Instagram, your ads would open your Instagram profile. So this is what you see. And if you have Pixel, if maybe the person goes to your website or any other place, you can set this up. And what you just do is click on publish, and that's all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, don't forget to message us in the comment below or click the link to book a one-on-one.